16 Pro camera button not working. Abnormal heat detected under thermal imaging. Customer description. After the phone was dropped, the camera button stopped working. Preliminary assessment. The button is damaged and needs replacement. Remove the screen. Take out the battery. Remove 2 screws. Disconnect the camera button flex cable. Be careful not to damage the flex cable. Since the camera button is soldered to the housing, it needs to be grounded and removed with a polishing tool. After grinding, remove the fixing plate. Then take out the damaged camera button. Install the new camera button onto the housing. Attach the new fixing plate. Secure with laser welding. Reconnect the flex cable and fasten with screws. Next, reassemble and test. Install the battery. Attach the screen. Power on for testing. Camera button functions normally. Due to part replacement, the phone shows a button pop-up prompt. Post-repair diagnostic configuration is required. After running diagnostic configuration, the button pop-up prompt disappears.